Hello. Unlike processed foods, the avocado stands as an emblem of the natural, the pure, and the essential. Its origin dates back to ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, where it was considered a symbol of fertility and vitality. Pre-Hispanic peoples called it ahuacatel, a Nahuatl word that also evoked masculine strength, the seed of life. Today, science confirms what they already intuited. The avocado not only feeds, but it also heals. The fascinating thing about the avocado is that it does not belong to the category of common fruits. It is a fatty fruit, yes, but its fats are so healthy that they act as medicine for the heart, the brain, and the skin. It is packed with monounsaturated fatty acids, especially oleic acid, the same one contained in olive oil. Cardiovascular health. These good fats reduce bad cholesterol, increase the good kind, and keep arteries clean, improving circulation and preventing cardiovascular diseases. Nutritional powerhouse. Furthermore, the avocado is a nutritional gem. Vitamins. It contains an impressive amount of Group B vitamins, essential for maintaining energy and the balance of the nervous system. Its vitamin E contribution makes it a natural antioxidant that protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. It is also a source of vitamin K, necessary for bone health and blood clotting, and vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and improves iron absorption. Minerals. Its richness in minerals is equally notable. It contains potassium, magnesium, iron, and zinc. Potassium regulates blood pressure, magnesium relaxes muscles and calms the mind, iron fights anemia, and zinc stimulates cell regeneration and strengthens hair and nails. Mental and hormonal benefits. The avocado not only nourishes the body, but it also has a profound effect on the mind. Its good fats feed neurons and improve concentration, memory, and mood. It is a natural anti-stress food, capable of stabilizing cortisol levels and promoting a general sense of well-being. For men, it represents a powerful ally for the heart and hormonal system. Its combination of zinc and vitamin E favors testosterone production, improves fertility, and contributes to greater physical and mental vitality. For women, its supply of healthy fats helps balance hormones, alleviates premenstrual and menopausal symptoms, and keeps skin smooth, luminous, and young. Its folic acid content also makes it an ideal food during pregnancy, favoring the baby's brain development. Digestive health. In the digestive realm, the avocado is a balm. Its soluble and insoluble fiber improves intestinal flora, facilitates digestion, and prevents constipation. At the same time, its natural enzymes help the body absorb nutrients from other foods better, boosting the bioavailability of vitamins and minerals. How to consume it. Recipes. Its versatility in the kitchen makes it even more valuable. It can be eaten raw in salads, spread on whole wheat bread, in smoothies, or as a base for healthy sauces. It is important to avoid mixing it with sugars or ultra-processed products that nullify its nutritional potential. Restorative cream. A medicinal and delicious way to use it is to prepare a restorative cream for the organism. Just crush half a ripe avocado with a spoonful of pure honey, the juice of half a lemon, and a pinch of turmeric. Taken on an empty stomach or as part of a healthy breakfast, this mixture helps detoxify the liver, strengthens the immune system, and provides sustained energy throughout the day. Green smoothie. It can also be combined with green leaves like spinach and kale, along with a piece of pineapple and coconut water to obtain an antioxidant smoothie that cleanses the blood and revitalizes the body. This recipe not only improves digestion, but also balances the body's pH and improves skin appearance. Medicinal and external uses. In natural medicine, the avocado has been used to relieve joint and muscle inflammation thanks to its anti-inflammatory phytonutrients. People suffering from arthritis, rheumatism, or chronic pain can benefit enormously by including it in their daily diet. Its pulp is also used externally as a mask to hydrate dry or damaged skin. Combined with olive or coconut oil, avocado nourishes deeply, regenerates cells, and leaves skin soft, fresh, and radiant. Even its seed has surprising properties. Although it must be consumed in moderation and well processed, it contains phenolic compounds with antioxidant and antimicrobial action. In some countries, it is dried, ground, and added in small amounts to smoothies or infusions to strengthen the immune system. Conclusion: eating avocado regularly is undoubtedly an investment in health. Its effect is cumulative. The more constant its consumption, the greater its positive impact on the body. Experts recommend consuming half an avocado a day, preferably fresh and ripe. It is better to avoid cooking it at high temperatures, as excessive heat can alter its healthy fats. The avocado also contributes to weight loss, despite its high caloric content. Thanks to its satiety, capacity, and ability to stabilize blood sugar levels, it helps control appetite and avoid cravings. For athletes, it is an essential food. It provides clean energy, accelerates muscle recovery, and prevents cramps due to its potassium and magnesium content. Beyond its physical aspect, the avocado connects with a symbolic value. It represents abundance and the vitality that comes from nature. Eating it is reconnecting with the origin, with the earth that gives life. It reminds us that health is born from simplicity. In times of stress, inflammation, and constant fatigue, the avocado becomes a nutritional refuge. Every bite is a reminder that the body can heal if you give it what it needs. Its creamy flavor, silky texture, and versatility make it the perfect companion for those seeking conscious eating. It is a way to care for the body without renouncing pleasure. The avocado teaches us that health is not in restriction, but in choice, in preferring the natural, the authentic, what comes directly from the earth. Ultimately, the avocado is much more than a food. It is soft medicine, a source of vital energy, and a bridge between the body and nature. If this message inspired you to look at this green and wonderful fruit with new eyes, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to rediscover the power of conscious eating, because taking care of yourself is an act of love, and every decision counts.